Hello everyone, Hector Mendoza. This is going to be a real quick video. I'm going to show you how to split names in a column or a cell. It's a very easy. It's very easy. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So so I'm going to open up an Excel file, and I've already got some text that I can use here. Let me find it here. Give me a second. Okay, so what we're first going to do is we're going to split first name and last name into two columns. So if I click here, I hit Control V, I'm just pasting the names. Okay, so all of this is in one column, right? So we're going to split it up into two columns. And it makes it easier when you're trying to separate uh, last names, first names in alphabetical order. So all you have to do is just go to data. You're going to go to text to column, and you want to select delimited. Okay, so right here it shows you what it looks like right now. Okay, so if you hit next, we're going to deselect tab because what we want to look for, how we're going to separate this two text, right? Sometimes there can be text, semicolons, comma, space, or other characters. In this case, there's a space in between each one of them, so we're going to click space. And if we don't click on this right here, that extra space is going to be Chris, and then on the next column, it'll have space Evans. So you want to go ahead and click on this treat consecutive delimiters S1. So all you have to do is hit X, and um, here you could actually, on the column on the right hand side, if it was dates or if it was dates, you could use different kind of formatting, right? But this, we're just going to use general. And all you have to do now is hit finish. And now you see that it separated into, actually this one separated into three of them because there was a space between Samuel, L, and Jackson. And so that's all there is to it. Now let me show you with commas what you would do if you had a text with commas. So let's say you had last name, first name, and there was a comma in between. Control C, Control V, select the text, go to, again, data, text to column, delimit it, next. This time we're going to hit comma, and we're going to also select text consecutive delimiters S1. And then we're going to hit next, and we're going to leave everything the way it is, and we're going to hit finish. Now it separated those names. That's all there is to separating one text box into two columns. Well, thank you for watching my video. If you like this, give me a thumbs up, and hopefully you'll become a subscriber. Again, thank you for watching my videos.